In this video, we are going to look at how to use the word still. And we're going to look at two ways to use the word still. First, still can mean not moving. Still, if you have a child that has too much energy and the child is running and touching things and being annoying, you can tell the child, please be still. Please be still means stop moving, calm down, relax. Please be still. Or maybe you're in the jungle and you see a dangerous animal and you tell your friend, be still. Be still means don't move a lot. Don't make the animal excited. Be still. So that's the first meaning of the word still. The second way that we use the word still is actually quite similar because it's about not changing. For example, I still love you. I still love you means I loved you in the past and I love you now. Nothing has changed. That example is present simple tense, but we can use still with every tense. I'm not going to do every tense in this video, but let's look at a few more. I am still speaking. Present continuous. That means I started speaking in the past and I'm speaking now. It hasn't stopped. I am still speaking. Future tense. Even if it rains, I will still go to the party. Here, still shows that the rain is not going to affect my plans. My plans will continue. They will stay the same, even if it rains. Even if it rains, I will still go. Present perfect. He still hasn't called me. So, he hasn't called me just shows that I'm waiting for him to call me. He still hasn't called me sounds like he didn't call me yesterday, and I was waiting for him, and now I have been waiting for him for a long time because yesterday he didn't call me, and today he hasn't called me. The fact that there are no calls from him has not changed. The situation is still the same. I'm waiting for him. I'm annoyed with him. He still hasn't called me. So again, those are just some of the tenses. I'm not doing all of them in this video, but if you know how to use the different tenses, you can use still with them. And if you don't know some of the different tenses, please feel free to watch some of the videos in the grammar video playlist on my Facebook page, or if you are watching this on YouTube, I don't have playlists set up yet, but you can search my YouTube channel to find videos about the different tenses.